Hey there, I'm Christina from hairromance.com. After recently colouring my hair pink, I've been having a lot of fun with braids, and this is a style that I kind of made up just to wear on the weekend to a friend's party. I was originally just going to do a side braid and just leave a half up, but it kind of decided to keep going all the way around to create this ring braid. I hope you like it and give it a try. It might become a regular in your hair wardrobe, or hairdrobe as I like to call it. If you want to learn how to do this braid, keep watching. And I've also got a second version as an all-up style, which I think you might like as well.
Pick up a section of hair on the side and split it into 3 equal parts. This is a Dutch braid or an inside-out braid, so we cross the sections under. Cross the left under the middle and then the right under the left. And on the next cross, I'm adding in a small section of hair from my hairline, but still keeping the braid close to the front. On the next cross, I'm adding in hair from the back, but only a small section of hair. Repeat these steps, crossing your hair under and adding in small sections on each side, until you reach about your temple. At this point, we'll switch to only adding in hair from the top of your head. This really helps to angle the braid around your head and leave more hair out below for the half-up style. Only add in from the top and keep braiding in a line around the back of your head. Watch out that you're not angling the braid down at this point, as it makes it harder to connect the ring around. When it gets tricky to reach the braid, swap your hands around to the front. Angle your braid back up to connect with the start and add in the last sections of hair. Finish it in a regular 3-strand plait or braid. Now don't worry if you have any layers sticking out, as I'll show you how to fix them. My favourite part that covers all the mistakes, it's time to stretch out your braid. Gently pull at the sides to loosen the braid, and you can adjust how it sits, and you can also tuck in any layers that are poking out. Now that your crown braid is sitting right, it's time to pin it in place. Don't open your pins, just catch some hair in the opening, turn the pin and push it in to hold it in place. And that's it, your half-up crown braid. Now, for version 2, if you want to wear all of your hair up. I'm going to leave some pieces out at the front, and you can style this how you like. Then we're starting a second Dutch braid behind your left ear. Take a large piece of hair and split it into 3. Cross the left under the middle, and then the right under the left, and add in hair on the 3rd cross. Keep adding in hair to both sides as you continue braiding across the back of your head, roughly parallel to the first braid. Once all of your hair is added, finish in a regular 3-strand plait or braid and use a small elastic to secure the end. Don't forget to stretch out your braid so it looks even and looks thick. Now, depending on how long your hair is, you can roll or fold your braid around to create a bun at the back. Secure it in place with bobby pins and tuck in any loose ends. Now I think I've left out too much hair at the front, so I'm going to twist this back and hide it into the braid. And that's it, your all-up crown braid.
So tell me, which was your favourite version? This crown braid or the whole up style? I think I like this crown braid, but there are summer days where I need all my hair off my neck, and that's the version I'm going to go for. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any tutorial requests, and I'd love it if you hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can see my next video. You'll be the first to hear about it. Head over to hairromance.com for lots of hair tips, tutorials, and all your hair questions answered. Have fun with your hair, and I'll see you next time. Bye.